Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to block specific number. So first of all, let's open the dialer. Here let's click on the three dots icon, which will open the settings. And now let's choose call settings. Here you have to choose call blocking and decline with message. And here let's choose the blocked numbers. As you can see, there are no numbers now, but if you want to add it, simply click on plus icon. And you can choose from adding it from contacts, call logs, or new number. I will choose the new number. I will simply come up with something and click on block. And from now on, you will not receive any incoming calls from that number. And if you want to delete it, simply click on this icon and your device will ask if you want to remove this number. If you want, click on remove, and that's all. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.